So on the back side, yeah, everything was about twice as far off as it was on the bottom. So somebody must have skipped this. The Jake's adjustments were way off. These probably were not working because of that. Also, the O-rings in the Jake solenoids were crusty, and so we went and got some new O-rings. And I'm going to start it without the valve cover on back here, make sure these Jakes are working while it's running. But it's hard to get to this backside, so somebody just got lazy and either half-assed did their job or just skipped it. I've got everything adjusted back there now. The Jake brake heights, the fuel injector heights, and the valve clearances. Should be good to go. Did you hear him work?
Yep.